If imuhang hyperbola is inani og porma, then the standard equation for that one is x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. Pero if imuhang hyperbola is painani siya, then the standard equation is y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equal to 1. Nakalahi lang is ang position si mo ang a ug ang b. It's because dapat si a must be the denominator of the positive term. Okay, so for example, given ka og equation na x squared over 4 minus y squared over 25 equal to 1. So mo ang a squared is 4 since dapat si a is ang denominator sa positive na term. And si b squared is equal to 25. So, a is equal to 4, b is equal to, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5. And imong center is at 0, 0. So, pag i-graph na siya, first locate the center, it's at 0, 0. Then, since imuhang a is under x, so, move ka og 2 units to the left and to the right. So, 1, 2, then 1, 2. And since si b is under y, so move ka og 5 units upward and downward. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, draw mo og imaginary na rectangle. Then, after ana, i-draw ninyo ang asymptotes. Imong asymptote dapat moagi siya sa may corner sa imuhang rectangles ug ang center. Okay? Then after niyo ma-draw ang asymptote, pwede niyo i-draw ang hyperbola. So ang hyperbola moagi siya sa vertex, pero dili siya mo stick sa imuhang asymptotes. Ganha moagi siya sa vertex, pero dili siya maigo sa imuhang asymptotes. Okay, so mo na imong hyperbola. Okay, let's say given mo og equation na y minus 1 squared over 16 minus x plus 2 squared over 4 equal to 1. So, imuhang a squared is 16 since imuhang a is ang denominator sa positive na term and imuhang b squared is equal to 4. So, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, and imuhang center is at negative 2, 1. So, para madraw ang asymptote, para madraw ang parabola, first locate the center. It's at negative 2, 1. So, 1, 2, 1. Okay, mo na imong center. And since imuhang A is under Y, so meaning move ka og 4 units upward and downward. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And since imuhang B is under X, so move ka 4 units to the right and to the left. So, along lang ka sa x-axis. So, that is 1, 2. Then, 1, 2. Okay, then, draw na pod ang imuhang imaginary na rectangle. Then, finally, i-draw ang imuhang asymptotes. Okay? So, imuhang hyperbola is painana. Ang hyperbola na po siya mga importante na variables that is A, B, C, D, and E. Si A is ang distance from the center to the vertex. So, let's say mo ni mong center, then kana si vertex. So, this distance is A. And same lang po from this center padulong sa picas vertex, kana na distance is A. Si B, this is from the center going to this point. So, kanina certain distance is B. And same lang po sa kanina point. So, from the center going to this point, that is B. Si C is from the center to sa imong focus. So, let's say, kani imong focus. So, from the center, padulong sa focus, kana na distance is C. And same lang po sa from this center, padulong sa pikas focus, kani na distance is C. Kaning A, B, and C na siya relationship that is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So, wala lang tag nag-Pythagorean theorem. And di ba sa Pythagorean theorem, ang kanina part is katong longest side. So, kung tanawon nimo ang graph, si C ang pinakataas og length. O nang si C dapat ang naa-diri na part. Okay? Si D is ang distance from the center going to your directrix. Kaning blue na lines, mo na imuhang mga directrix. So, from the center padulong sa kaning blue na line, that is distance D. And same lang gihapon from the center padulong sa pikas na line, pikas na directrix, that is distance D. Okay? And CE is the formula for your eccentricity. That is, i-add ka. Sa hyperbola, ang isa pod sa dapat timanan is ang equation sa imuhang asymptotes. So, kanang yellow na line. And ang equation sa asymptotes is always in ani. Y minus K is equal to plus minus rise over run times X minus H. So, let's see sa kanina hyperbola, from the center, imuhang rise is distance B. Then, imuhang run is A. So, sa to pa, this is equal to plus minus B over A times X minus H. Pero if imuhang hyperbola is, let's say, painana siya, so from the center, imuhang rise is distance A, then imuhang run is distance B. So, basta imuhang parabola is painani siya og porma, then that is plus minus A over B times X minus H.